Chapter 1, Introduction to Analog Design. The idea of metal oxide field effect transistor MOSFET was patented by J.E. Linenfeld in early 1930s owing to fabrication limitations. In mid 1960s, complementary MOS devices were introduced. CMOS gates were dissipated power only during switching. So the idea of metal oxide field effect transistor MOSFET was patented by in early 1930s by J.E. Linenfeld. So MOSFET transistors were very older than those CMOS transistors. So CMOS transistors were complementary MOS devices were introduced in mid 1960s, and the MOSFETs, normal MOSFETs were introduced in 1930s. So CMOS gets dissipated power only during switching. So this was an advantage of CMOS gates, that they dissipated power only during switching. Then CMOS dominated the whole analog industry. So reason we will study now, reason for that. So principal force to dominate analog industry was scaling, as it increased speed of MOSFET. So these CMOS devices which were introduced in mid 1960s, they were better than their preceders, that are normal MOSFETs, because of they had capability of scaling, device scaling. Scaling means basically reducing size of that device. That means it will perform same function, but it will reduce its area, thus packing more transistors on a single chip. So thus it increases speed of system. So that was scaling. So that was principal force that was dominating analog industry. It was scaling, and it increased speed of MOSFET. So it increased speed of MOSFET means when we for example, if we take a circuit like 8-bit comparator, or any logically operation performing circuit, if we take, so if we have more transistors on a single chip, single wafer, so it will definitely increase its speed as compared to so 4 transistors will be better than 2 transistors, and 8 transistors will be better than 4 transistors. So it is increasing its speed. So that's why it dominated analog industry. These CMOS devices were dominating analog industry. So this was the reason behind need of CMOS technology. So that is full form was complementary metal oxide semiconductor devices. It was its full form.